So behind me is Casa de Reyes, which is like a little Mexican village. But I've actually ate at Mexican food there is outstanding. And you really get the feel once you walk in here. Look at this thing. Wow. You can really get festive and feel it once you arrive inside. Let's see, you walk in and you have all these nice little souvenir places. Nice restaurant. You got the Lady of Guadalupe. This is kind of what you have overall. I can hear the coaster in the distance. Geppettos. Fiesta de flags. So you can even see the Cinco de Mayo flags that are still flying. This is and yeah, if you haven't been down here, it's a must visit if you are in San Diego. And there is the Casa de Reyes restaurant. Let's walk around. Street tacos. 2 tacos for $9. Nachos $10. This is during the week, so it's kind of mellow today. Not really a lot of folks. You know, so it's Wednesday, late morning. But you can see all lunches are actually starting to stack up right now. Look at this. It's called the pepper tree. Tree honors the pioneering Pico family. That is really something. So kind of, let's see, what do you got here? La Flor de Mexico. A lot of souvenir shops. Take a quick peek inside. Look at all these trinkets. It really is something though. And there's so many entrances to get in here. I kind of came through the main area. So this is my 3rd video being back from my Upper Wisconsin, Northern Michigan travel adventure. So it's good to be back here for a while until my next adventure, which is coming up very soon. Check this out. Ooh, man. So come in here and really help yourself out. Yeah. Oh, look at this fella. Look at all that food he's got. Ooh, yeah. If you have not eaten here, do it. It is worth it. Got some festive Mexican music, which is always nice to listen to. I'm going to come around the main side. More souvenir shops. Grocery totes, $13.95. Kind of we got some, is that like a coffee or something? Mexican chocolate. These looks like aprons. Get that set up in your house. Oh, look at these grinders. Coffee grinder. Look at this thing. Wow. That's got a volcanic rock coffee grinder. Wow. I've never even seen anything like that. Is definitely an old grinder. You don't see anything like that. Oh, look at these tile shops. You can get your address made down here. These numbers. Maybe I should do that, huh? Let's see what we got. Make my way around. I just love these, how they make this old buggy really authentic. I mean, it's probably original if you look at it. Got a lot of deserty type shrub. This one's called Mexican and Domestic Goods. Look at this old buggy. That is antique as they come. That's that's kind of the clutch, I would call it, or the brake. Look at this thing. I just love old stuff. That wheel. Thick as iron. See more little craft shops. Hot chili, hot sauce. And here are some of those hot sauce that you can get in here. They probably have everything you need. I love hot sauce. I mean, I could like literally get all these and then just try them out and see which one's the best. I think I put hot sauce on just about everything I eat. Same with the pepper, crushed pepper. I got that in Thailand. It says right up here, may all of your dreams come true. Okay, I'm inside the olive oil tasting room here in Old Town. And could you give me your recommendation one?
Sure, of course.
Okay.
So my recommendation is
what's that?
The fresh basil, fresh blood orange, and the fire cider vinegar.
Oh, how about this one right here? Try that one, fresh basil.
Yes.
Yes.
Fresh blood orange.
Yep, that'll do. So, why not? I love olive oil. I put it on just about everything, cook-wise.
Yeah, you are.
All right, let's try this out here. So here it is. Try this out. That is good.
Yeah, it contains no zest. And
yeah. Okay, so just gonna add a little bit of vinegar, and this one's gonna be a little bit more pep into it.
Yeah, you are.
There we go. Let's try this one out here. That is good. You know, I like everything with peppers.
Oh,
and
good.
when it's got that spice to it, I really like oil tasting. Wasn't even expecting that, but one thing about olive oil is I cook it on almost everything, all the way from eggs to, you know, frying. I rarely use anything like canola oil or anything. It's all olive oil. Time to leave.